CapCut's new update is going to crush free users, and this is what happened to me today, and I can't even export my video. So let me show you exactly what happened. Let's open CapCut and let's go to settings, and as you can see I am using version 7.0, which I recently updated to not long ago. So I uploaded a video I edited earlier to the timeline just to test new tricks and hacks, and the most surprising part about this is that I didn't even do anything, didn't add any effect and not even a trim. Then I saw a Pro icon on the export button, so wasn't sure what was going on, so I clicked on the export button and what's next shocked me. When I clicked on the export button I saw this pop-up, and mostly you get these pop-up when you use a Pro feature and you are trying to export it, but this wasn't the case. The pop-up wasn't a Pro feature I used but was an unlimited export pop-up. And if you don't know what this means, everyone who uses the free version is now restricted when it comes to the number of times you can export your edited videos. And this happened at a point where I didn't use anything, not even the split tool. So let me know what you think about this in the comments section, and if you think CapCut is pushing way too much or it's about time we upgrade to the Pro versions. Oh, if you're using the free version and want to know how to deal with this issue, then watch this video on the screen, and I will also put the link in the description. See you in the next video.